guys, my name is ThatKeyboardGirl, also known as Sugar, and I am a custom mechanical keyboard builder. And this is my daily driver. So this is the keyboard that I use every day. This is a 60% keyboard, meaning that there is no F1 row, there is no numpad, and there is no those delete, insert, print screen keys. I'm using a resin case for this one, so this case is made of resin and it's semi-transparent, so that means that the light can shine through very nicely. You see, so pretty. I'm using a DZ60 PCB. So the PCB is basically like the motherboard of your keyboard. So you plug all the switches there. This is a soldered one, so I had to solder all the switches. And it also comes with its own programming software, so you can write the file on the programming thing and then upload it onto your keyboard, which is why you can see my keyboard has 3 space bars. Why? I just like the way it looks, because it just looks nicer. And no, it doesn't help me with typing. I am using ASA profile keycaps. So these keycaps are by Echo. Let me unplug my keyboard first. If you look under the keycap, if you look at it, see it's a pink tactile switch. Tactile just basically means that there is a bump in the back of the switch, so there is a very nice feedback when you press down. So if you look underneath the keycap, you see there is a ring around. I put it in there. It's called an O-ring, so it just changes the sound profile of the keyboard. It's a dampener, so some people like it, some people don't. I also modified the switches. So basically this is a switch opener. Okay, it also displays the switch. You open it, you put the switch here, you press down, and then it opens. And then you will see that underneath the switch there are 4 parts to the switch. So there is a bottom housing, there is a top housing, there is a spring, and there is a stem. So the spring determines how hard you need to press on the switch for it to actuate. I looped the inside of the bottom housing, I looped the stem, and for this particular keyboard I actually changed the springs. I swapped them out to 45 grams. These are 58 gram springs. 45 grams means easier to type. For me, since I use it every day, I don't want it to be too heavy to press. Let me give you guys a type test. Thank you for watching my video with Buro. Check me out on their website as well. Thank you guys. See you.